2010 was the worst financial year in the history of Ansys. You've experienced a partial recovery with revenue increasing from 77.3 million in 2010 to 97.8 million. What is your response to these results?
Well, always we hope that they would have been better, but at least the change is in the right direction, and we're extremely hopeful for the coming year.
And a large percentage of this year's recovery is owed to the 2 orders secured from General Electric South Africa Technologies. Are you going to be able to continue this growth?
Yes, it's basically yard safety. These are shunting yards that are being automated so that people adjusting the points don't get killed. And there's a number of them that still have to be allocated. 4 have been allocated, and we've won 3 of the contracts together with GSAT. So we're very hopeful. There's more in the pipeline for this coming year, and hopefully more in years to come.
From GSAT?
From GSAT. And Transnet is the originator, is the user.
And talking about Transnet, Transnet just announced their 110 billion rand expansion project. How is this going to affect you?
Well, they're our biggest customer. 60% of our business comes from them, and any expansion that they do is good for us. This very morning we received an order from Toshiba for more locomotive communication systems. Every new loco has our systems on board, and it's really encouraging to come to a thing like this and have an order in my pocket. Thank you.
And going back to the results, the order book in August was at 150 million rand?
Yes, that was last year. We're currently at 50 million, so we've delivered a whole heap of stuff, and orders are not as exuberant as they were, but we're not at all concerned because of this expansion of Transnet, and because of our new mine project, the continuous rope monitoring system, which is the only one in the world. We confirmed a month ago, we were at a big conference in Texas where we delivered a paper where all the mine rope guys were, and they confirmed that this is the only one in the world. And since then we've had Israelis and Russians visiting us. So this product, we've just finished the development. We're in the process of building the second model for delivery to Moab Kutsong. It's an Anglo-Gold Ashanti mine, and there's another 6 to follow after this, and orders are bubbling under. We're expecting another 6 quite shortly.
And in November 2010, the group sold Opticon Systems. How has that affected the performance of this year's results?
Well, as you can see from the results, they managed to lose a whole heap of money. They ate up all our free cash, and they've hurt our working capital. So we sold the company for very little. We basically dumped it. Opticon was a difficult situation because they had a full order book. And in engineering, in high-tech, you don't normally make a loss with a full order book. But for a variety of reasons, we had to get rid of them, and they were closed down shortly after. And now we're free of them. Now at least the ongoing businesses generate cash and are profitable and have a future.
With the disposal of Opticon, what is the board's strategic plan going forward?
Right, Opticon was the cornerstone of our defence effort. We have 3 legs to our business. Mining, which is going to be the biggest, rail, which is currently the biggest, and then defence. We foresee defence to go to nothing, and all of those resources we're pouring into the mining domain, which is very vibrant and has a huge opportunity for high-tech solutions that we offer. Okay.
And the basic earnings per share improved from a loss of 6 cents to per share, to earnings of 0.14 cents per share. Do you expect this to continue? What is your foresight?
Yes, with the rope tester, with its high sales, and with the ongoing rail business, and with the loss-making defence stuff behind us, we're expecting to have a good year this year, and we have a forecast that is more normal for us. Ansys traditionally has always been a profitable business, and we expect to return to that in this year.